Hello, friends of the Geaux Foundation. Recently, we shared one of our greatest challenges in Uganda. During the rainy season, our compound becomes severely flooded and muddy. The flooding and muddy ground has made it difficult for our girls to continue their daily routines, from attending lessons with their instructors outdoors to completing sewing and tailoring classes, doing chores like washing dishes, and even engaging in physical exercise. Thanks to your incredible generosity, we have been able to fund most of the concrete paving needed to address this issue. In this video, you will hear from Miss Betty, one of our directors in Uganda, as she shares why your continued support is still so important. Our kitchen house remains without a concrete floor or a proper door, and completing this part of the project is critical.
These are the materials, and the whole compound is going to be laid properly. Good morning, donors. So these are the guys at work, and the work is almost getting finished. They are all now on the final touches. The donors, I must say I'm very grateful for the wonderful work you have done and the donations you gave us. This was our flooded ground. Right now you can see everything is clear. The ground is passable. It's clean. Everywhere is passable, no longer flooding. Everything is okay. The girls can now work outside, just as you see there. But before, we couldn't work from outside when it rains because it was flooding, muddy, dirty. But everywhere is now very, very clean, as you can see from the video. Every part is well done. Every part is clean and clear, dry. This is our kitchen house, but we couldn't complete it. It is lacking now a door. It is lacking a door. And the floor is not yet done. Cement is very expensive, so we could not complete the kitchen. Thanks very much, our donors. This is wonderful. Everywhere is clean. Wow. The bathroom, where they passed go the bathroom, is dry and clean. Every place is okay. We appreciate your work. Thanks a lot, and your donors. We appreciate.
While we have made significant progress, we are still just $119 shy of our final goal. If 12 of our friends only donate $10 each, we can meet our goal. The good news is, our girls are already enjoying the newly repaired courtyard, and they were eager to express their gratitude to you.
Now we can do any activities from here, like dancing, exercise.
Now I can do thanking our donors.
Now I can do sewing outside without any interruption. Thank you, our donors.
Thank you, Madam Peace and our donors for funding us. May God bless you abundantly.
Thank you for your donation.
Now we can do all activities from here.
I can see.
Our donate page includes a PayPal link, but we want to make sure you're aware that you do not need a PayPal account to donate to Geaux Foundation. We invite you to continue partnering with us as we work to complete the Dry Ground campaign, ensuring that all of our spaces remain safe and dry for the girls, no matter the season. Thank you for your continued support. May God bless you richly.